Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video I will show you how to set up environment for Angular. So you have to follow these three steps. First of all, you need to install Node.js, and the second step will be to install Angular CLI or command line interface, and at the end we will be installing Angular. So step by step I will show you that how you can install all these dependency, all these how to meet this requirement. So let's see, and I will show you that how you can install Node.js in case if you have not installed so far the Node.js. Let's Google here and just write here Node.js download. Click on the official website, and here you can see this is the current version of Node.js. So depending upon your machine, you can download from here. And remember, you always install this LTS version, long time support. Okay, long time support. You can see here this is the current version, these two are current version, but this is the LTS version. That means what? It is completely tested and there will be less error in this. So you should use this LTS. But in case if you want to explore, if you want to know the new features, then you can go for this. But for development purpose, I strongly recommend you to use the LTS version. Since in my computer I have already installed this, so I'm not going to show you that how to install, but it's very easy. Just you can download and install this Node.js. So once you have installed, then here you can check, you can verify. You will see once you write the cmd, then you can see Node.js command prompt. This one you can see. Okay, and even that is not visible. In that case, what you can see, you can write here node hyphen v, that will version, oh sorry, actually there will be single so node hyphen v, so it will display, as you can see, the current version is version 20.11.0. so this way you can see and you can verify whether your computer is installed Node.js or not, and which version of Node.js is utilizing. So if you have done this, so that means what? The step number 1 you have already completed. Now let's go for step number 2, Angular CLI. This is a command line interface through which you can create components, you can install dependencies, so it is very helpful. So go to Google here and Angular CLI, just click on this, and then you can see npm install g Angular CLI, npm install g Angular CLI. This -g, that means this will be available globally. That means you can access this from any directory, or else if you don't write this, then you can access only in that particular directory where you have installed. So you should use this -g, that means it will be available globally. That means you can access it from, you can utilize this, you can use this from any project. So just copy here and then go to cmd, command line interface, and then you should run as an administrator, and here just press enter and it will install the latest version of Angular CLI. In my computer it's already installed, but once again I am installing this to show you. Now if you want to verify, then just write here npm and then -v. Okay, so you can see the node package manager version is current installed 10.5.0. now so step 1 we have finished, step 2 we have done, and now we will do this third step, install Angular. So once again it's right here, go in Google Angular install. You will see here its official website. So if you click, then you will see it says that first you need to install this Angular CLI, which we have already installed. After that you can create a new project using this one. But hold, if you install using this command, then a standalone project will be installed automatically. But for first time we are not going to install standalone project. In further video I will explain you that in Angular 17 there is a big change which was not present in Angular 16, 15. Okay, so in Angular 17 a new concept has been brought by Google, and that is standalone project. I will explain that in further video in detail, but for the time being we are not going to use standalone. So let's go back to Google and once again right here Angular install, Angular 17 install. So you type here this Angular 17 install without standalone. Okay, here in its official website, if you click, then you will find the command here, ng new no standalone. That means what? We are giving command. So why it is like this? You need to understand it actually. This standalone, that if you're using this standalone false, that means what? This is compatible to the previous version. By default Angular 17 has standalone feature. So what is standalone? I will discuss that in further videos, but for the time you just understand that it is easier to grasp without standalone. So first we will be using it with no standalone. So just copy this here and then let's go to our command line interface. So what I will do, I will change here my D drive to D drive and then cd Angular 17 cd Angular 17. Okay, actually I have already created a folder called Angular 17, that is why. Okay, but you need to, in case you have not installed this, in that case you can use here, you can create md Angular 17 and then cd Angular 17. Since I had already created this md using md command, so that is why directly I went into that directory. Now let's just paste this one. So what I have written here, ng new hyphen no standalone. Okay, just press enter and you will be asked the project name. It asks the project name, so I will name it as first project. Now press enter. Now it asks you that which type of CSS you want to use. So I'll be using here this plain normal CSS. Now it asks, do you want to enable server side rendering SSR? So what is SSR? I will also explain you in further videos that how this works and why it is necessary. But for the time being we are not going to use this SSR, so let's proceed ahead without SSR. So just press N and move ahead. Actually I had already a project with that name, that is why it was showing error. So now it is installing. Okay, now let's type here dir. So as you can see our project has been successfully installed. Now we will write here cd and then, so now npm start or ngser. So the project will start from here. So ngser automatically it came here. So directly either you can write ngser or npm start. I prefer npm start because I normally work on React also, so I'm more comfortable on writing npm start, that is why. But you can directly write ngser, it's up to you. So now here let's press. So guys, successfully, as you can see, this project has been installed. The next step will be you should install Visual Studio Code, VS Code. It's free, so download from here and then install. So there are different versions for Mac machine, for Ubuntu and Windows, since my machine is in Windows and it's already installed, which I already have shown you here. So what I will do, I will just open this project, rather the new project what we have installed here. So let's go here in file and then open folder. So guys, so this is the project. In the next video I will explain the directory structure of this Angular 17. So stay connected and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. By the time you are watching this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, then I strongly recommend you to please subscribe, and if you have any questions and queries, don't forget to write into the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.